Sleep without a pillow or sleep without a blanket? It is practically impossible to answer the last question. Never eat a hot meal again, or never have a cold drink again. Never have kids or have kids with the first person that comes up when you click share and more. Spend the rest of your life inside or spend the rest of your life outside? Tag a friend, and he will have diarrhea or reject the offer. Wear the same thing every day or never wear the same clothes twice. Break your phone or like this video.